I also have a bat fan motor in my Trane XR14. It is the same GE model that the earlier post described, 5SME39Li71. There are 6 wires coming out of the motor. They are blue, green, black, brown, white and yellow. The labels on both the top and the bottom motor sections mentions ECM142 on each label. Does one of these sections contain an electronic control module that is specially configured for a Trane XR14? Where can I get the entire fan motor assembly with the proper components for the XR14?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
2 days. I tried the earlier mentioned link, but I did not see any fan motors.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I have already removed the fan motor assembly.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just where to obtain the correct motor assembly that matches the old one, wire for wire. I would prefer not to have to redesign or rewire any replacement motor assembly.
If it is an ECM motor, yes, it has to be specially wired and programmed for your unit. The XR14 is a series. What is actual model? You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated.
The model number on the motor is 5SME39HL followed by HY71 in larger print. There is also a label that shows ECM142 on both the upper and lower sections of the motor housing.
Model on unit it goes in. The 5SME39HL/ECM142 can be used in a variety of applications but usually rewire programming to match the furnace or condenser.
The model number on the outdoor AC unit is 4TTR4024C1000A.
Thanks for his information. You need to buy the motor using the number MO13793. That way it will be programmed to work with your unit. Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again. https://www.supplyhouse.com/trainmo137931 to 3 horsepower blower motor 200 to 230 volts $GCLID equals CJ0KCQJW6 Fudberg Berizovsvik Sef 2 SP07J McKee Forma 7 FD6D7 Swisksam 9 C Kimi FJVQM9 Utoa Act Keel _WCB.
Thank you for your help. Very much appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.